Hello guys, so if you have $1,000 in your account, what lot size will you actually use to place the trade? Is it 0.1, 1 lot, or 0.01? None of this is true. Why? Because you cannot randomly choose any lot size that you think to actually place the trade. You have to take into consideration your account balance and the percentage that you want to risk on your account per trade. That is why in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to calculate your lot size the right way. Hello guys, so this is Dr. Amanis, aka Money Over Poverty. And guess what? You are welcome to one of the finest trading community in Africa. And surprise, I have one of the best trading strategy which I coined from my 13 years experience on the market. Guys, so I told you that to calculate your lot size, you don't randomly choose any lot size. Now, to actually calculate your lot size, you need to know your account balance. What percentage of your account you want to risk on the market? So every trade, what percentage of your money? Assuming you have $1,000, are you going to risk 1% of the $1,000 on one trade, or 2% or 3%? It depends on you. But as a normal trader, you should not risk more than 1 to 3% of your account per trade. You should also consider your entry price and your stop loss. With this available information, you can actually calculate your lot size the right way. Now, let's roll to the chart so that I show you exactly how to calculate your lot size based on your account balance. Look at the information that we have over here. Let's assume we have $1,000 in our account. Okay, let's assume we have $1,000 in our account and we are risking 2% of our account per trade. Now, we are going short on this trade. So, with this information, you can see that we have our stop loss above the C. This is a typical STR strategy, and we have our stop loss above the C of the shark pattern over here. We have our stop loss above the C. Now, our entry price is over here. So, the information that we need is our account balance, the 2% which we are willing to risk per trade on this pair, which is the euro pound. Then we have our entry price. Now, we are going to use an app called the forex calculator to actually calculate the lot size. Okay, so this is the FS calculator. You can see it. It is purple. The logo is FX, which is purple in color. And I said I'll drop the direct link in the description so that you can actually download it. Now, when you click on the FX, the first thing you should look out for is the position size. So the position size is actually what you are going to use to calculate your lot size. So you click on the position size, then the account currency is the currency that you are using to trade. So let's say you open a dollar account with any broker. So the account currency will be United States dollar. So you type USD. The currency pair with our illustration, or for the purposes of our illustration, we're looking at euro to the pound. Euro to the pound. So we'll type euro GBP. Now the account size, we said that we are going to use $1,000 for our account size. So the account size, we are going to put in 1,000. Now you will see amount at risk over here. You see amount at risk over here. What you should do is that you click on the three dot on the right under the dollar sign. You click on the three dot. So we click on the three dot. You will see amount and percentage. So choose percentage. Now, we said that we are going to use 2% per trade. That means that for every trade, we are going to risk only 2% of our $1,000. So We'll click on the three dots over here. We chose percentage, so we'll put in 2. That means that we are risking 2% on this trade, which is the euro pound trade. Now the next one, you see stop loss. Click on the three dots on the right. So you click on the three dots, pips and price will pop up. Choose price. Okay, so after you choose price, it will give you the entry price and the stop loss. Now you go back to your chart and look for the entry price. The entry price at that time was 0.84716. So you put in 0.84716 and the stop loss is 0.85333. 0.85333. Now let's go to the results and see what we'll get. When you go to the results, the amount at risk is $20. You are going to risk 2%, which is the $20. When the distance between the entry price and the stop loss is far, your loss size is going to be smaller. And when the distance between the stop loss and your entry price is close, your loss size will be bigger. Okay. Now, the amount at risk here is what? $20. But you can see under the standard lot, we have 0.025 and we have the mini lot 0.248. Ignore the mini lot, micro lot, ignore all of them. Choose the standard lot. So the figure that you have under the standard lot, which is 0.025, is exactly the lot size that you are going to use to place the trade, so that when you lose or hit your stop loss, you are actually going to lose exactly $20. Is this not simple? Now, once you get your 0.025, the next thing you are going to do is that you go to your MT4 on your phone. So let's go to our MT4 on our phone to know how to place our loss size over there. So we move to our MT4, we click on the MT4. Now, when you get to the MT4, the first thing you want to look at is the pair, which is the euro pound. So you go to the quotes here, then look for euro pound, euro pound. So you click on trade over here, or new order. When you are using an Android phone, you look for new order. When it is iPhone, you look for trade. Now, when you have the 0.1, that's where you put the loss size. So you delete it, then you put your loss size that you had in your loss size calculation, which is 0.025. You can see that it's limited to 2 decimal places, so you ignore the last 5 and use 0.02. The stop loss that you use in the calculation, which is the 0.85333, you put it over there, 0.85333. So with the take profit, you do your analysis and know where your take profit is. From the analysis, you can see that our first take profit will be at 0.83005. So I put it here, 0.83005. And remember, we are going short on the trade. So I'll click on the sell by market. Oh, well, the market is closed. So if you had clicked on the sell, like by now, the trade will start running. You don't want to look at your trade all the time. You want to trade and have the flexibility of doing other stuff. So with the loss size calculation, will help you to know in advance how much you are risking on the trade, so that you don't even freak out. Now, if you know that in advance you are going to lose only $20 when your trade hits stop loss, you can take that pain, you can take that risk when you hit your stop loss. Because remember, anytime you place a trade, remember the money is gone. Hello guys, so did you enjoy the video? Was it educative enough? Now, by now you should know how to calculate your loss size before you even place a trade. Like, you should know how much you are risking before you even place a trade, so that you don't freak out. You'll be like, wow, this is a big loss, and you'll be freaking out, you end trade prematurely. Now, if you really enjoyed the video, kindly like, subscribe to the channel and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload the next video.